Hi everyone, this is Jeff Jones. I'm a spokesman for the next 8 to 10 minutes, at least not in this segment, that is, from theboxman.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. I'm really excited about this application. I mean, I love Blokada, and I'm just going to let you know what it is. This, to me, is one of the most universal applications for utilities for any streaming device, anything you use on the internet. It is multifunctional. So on this first set of this video, we're going to go to their website, which we're on right now, and in the second part, I'm going to show you how it works on one of my favorite devices, the Formula G TV, and how I use it. Blokada I found out about 2 or 3 years ago. I was looking for an ad blocker, and Blokada has one of the best ad blockers out there. Now there's different versions, which we're going to see in a moment, but let's say this application is all in one. Blokada is the popular ad blocker and privacy app for Android and iOS. It's being supported and actively developed by the amazing open source community. All right, we can learn more about that. As I scroll down, you'll see they already have a Blokada 6 the new way. This is more modern solution for mobile content blocking. Blokada 6 and everything looks like it's for Android phones. If you try to put this on an Android device, it is not going to function correctly because it was made for phones. Okay? Protect multiple devices from ads and tracking, and manage your preferences in one place. Enjoy zero battery drain and all that good stuff. Okay? So that's Blokada 6. This is Blokada 5. I have this and I tried it on my Android box. It's got the free ad blocker. It blocks ads and trackers, works for all apps and all browsers, requires no root or jailbreak, trusted and free forever. Source code available for Android, iOS. You go down again, there's Blokada Plus, the VPN, no bandwidth restrictions. For ultimate privacy protection, upgrade to Blokada Plus, which I have on my box, and connect through our VPN, which is Blokada Tunnel. Now, as you go down, you can download these from the Google Play Store, iOS, and you'll notice that there's a Blokada 4, a legacy version of Blokada, only for very old devices and TVs. Now, my device is a Formula G TV. It's about 2 years old. I believe they have a new GTV coming out here this year, so it's not too old, but I tried to put the recent versions of Blokada on, and it just didn't work right. So I know Blokada 4 works for all streaming devices, and it's going to be a wonderful thing. So this is Blokada. So here's what it has on it. It has a free ad blocker, a DNS changer, domain name changer, domain name, DNS, domain name service. You can change those to different services with your, with that change, and it has Blokada Tunnel. So I'm going to exit this part of the video, and we're going to shift right on over to the device that I'm going to use so you can see it in action. Let's do that right now. Okay? See you there.